I think answering your question, I'd like to link to what Bhaskar said some minutes ago, when he said anything that's safer, faster, and more efficient has to be looked at. So basically, it is the new technology that we certainly wanted to understand better and to gain a first-hand experience on, bearing in mind that this new technology, from our point of view, has the potential to change substantially in the coming years the way financial markets operate. And wanting to gain first-hand experience, what would have been better to gain such experience by applying the technology to our day-to-day business operations, which in my case is debt issuance. Perhaps let me say that the EIB has a tradition of being at the forefront of new development, setting standards already at an early stage of such developments. I'm just referring to our green bond activities, but also to our activities in the risk-free rate space. And in that tradition, as Daryl said, we issued earlier this year in April 2021, 100 million euro 2-year zero bond transaction. So please bear in mind, it's not denominated in a cryptocurrency. It's denominated in euro, issued on a public blockchain, and using still a relatively traditional concept of working with 3 lead managers. And last but not least, a very important element, that the transaction settled between us as an issuer and the 3 lead managers in a representation of a euro CBDC provided by the Banque de France. Looking at the transaction with hindsight, I mean, I have to admit it was the result of nearly 2 years highly intensive preparatory work. So we started working on this at the end of 2019. And at the time we were looking at what others had been doing. And we found that most transactions at least within this SSA world, did not do the final step. There was a lot of testing, simulation, with certain limitations. And we wanted to go one step further by bringing a real instrument to the blockchain.